Hi there, and welcome to the Change Creates Change YouTube channel. Somehow you stumbled upon our page, most likely because you're looking for some information about eating disorders. You are in the right place. My name is Jillian Walsh. I'm a registered dietitian as well as a registered psychotherapist, qualifying here in Canada. And I've founded a private practice eating disorder center called Change Creates Change Eating Disorder Care. Our YouTube channel exists to help folks just like you learn about eating disorders. We want to make sure that you are getting factual, research-based information that is up-to-date, recent, and relevant that you can easily digest in little bits of time. This makes us unique. As far as we know, we are the only folks out there doing that right now. We'd love to have you here. If you subscribe to our channel, you'll get notified of every new episode that comes out each week. Now remember, episodes are going to be around 5 to 10 minutes each, so you can take them in at any time. You can binge watch them, or you can watch them once every week as they are released. We would love to have you here as part of the Change Creates Change community so that you can learn more about eating disorders, how to recover from an eating disorder, and how to support those who are living with an eating disorder. We'd also love to see you on our email list. You can head to our website at changecreateschange.com to sign up. That way you can get notified of every new thing that we're putting out there. Thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to connect with you in the comments. Don't forget, you can make suggestions, you can give us feedback, because this is an active channel. I am always here to answer your questions and to make sure that I'm making content that makes sense for you folks, the watchers or the viewers. All right, that is all the time I need from you today. Dig into the channel, learn as much as you can, and if you have any questions, reach out. Bye for now.